The triggerfish is a commanding fish, and most reef inhabitants are easily intimidated by him, except for these strange visitors that don't seem to show fear. In any case, it's best to cover them up with sand. It's not easy for a small fish in a big city. There's always somebody with bad intentions, and you have to be extra careful not to get swallowed, like these moon wrasses, for example. So it's a chance here anyway. Being part of a school of fish is always the best protection from predators. The slow ones are being ignored. No danger here. Be just fine. But what about loners, or those that live as a couple? Seahorses, for example, camouflage themselves to look like the coral branches they're holding on to.